Hi everyone, Andrew Geloza from the Estate Planning and Elder Law Group. I'm here to talk to you today about why we do workshops, why we do an estate planning workshop. We do that so that you can become more educated about what the ins and outs, ups and downs, and the sideways of estate planning is. Why would it be important for you? What things are available? What you need to know, the things you need to think about. The vocabulary we use. It's a really important step in our process. It's the beginning of our process because when you have seen and heard the things that are important for you and how they relate to what may be going on in your life, we can then relate to you, and it's a lot easier for you to understand, and you'll kind of know what to choose, what's important, what's not important. So every month we do an estate planning workshop. Look for it on our website, and you can sign up, come, take part, listen, participate. It is a great way to kind of understand what estate planning is and what it would mean to you.